Today's topic is short math. Short math. So, short math is what? It is a question about find the value of a geometric object. A geometric object is obtained by, for example, I have a square, and now we have this is x equal to 0. That means yx, and we rotate this square around the x. So we get something like donuts, and we are trying to figure out what's the value of the donuts. So a general formula for the general formula for this question is like this: if we have a function called f of x, this is defined from a to b. So the function is look like this. This is a, this is b, and we have a function on here. It's f of x. Okay. And we have a torus. This torus is obtained by rotating f of x about s equal to 0. That means yx. Then what is the value? Call it v of this torus. Okay, so the formula for this value is 2 pi times the integrate. Our integrate is from a to b, and we integrate s times f of s dx. So why we have this formula? So next question is how to get this formula. The formula is v equal to 2 pi times integrate a to the b s f of s dx. Okay, so first think about this. You have a square, and this is your s equal to 0 yx, and you rotate it. You rotate this square around about s equal to 0. Okay, and you consider each slice on this square. The rotate of the slice will become a cylinder. So what I just say is, if I have a square and it's rotated about s equal to 0, and you consider one slice on the square, you rotate it, it will give you a cylinder. Okay, so the value obtained by rotating this square is the sum of this cylinder. So I say if this is cylinder of x, cylinder depends on x, and this is the surface. CS means the region of the surface of the cylinder. Surface. Okay. Then the geometric object, the torus B, is equal to the summation of this CS. Okay, and so the first thing we need to figure out is how to compute CX. So we remain this cylinder here. So how to compute a cylinder? First, you need to figure out the radius of this circle. So let me suppose the radius is r, and we suppose the height of this surface is h. So the region of the surface of this cylinder is r times 2 pi. That is the distance of the circle times h. Okay. And if our torus is obtained by f of s around s equal to 0, then our radius will be this x. So we will change our radius as s, and our height will be f of x. Okay, so every cylinder is 2 pi times s times f of x. And we have a lot of cylinders, so we integrate that. So we integrate it from A to B. That's your formula.